Back again, it's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Well, may I bring on us straight back down memory lane, because guess what? On the need to remember some things, especially what Everall Warmington did. So my wisdom warriors, taking this. Spend for him money. Mind you, I know for Warmington money, a taxpayer money. And true, because Warmington in charge at the money part. Warmington him now say I go sabotage PNP. And I say how the wall them I go fix, and how that I go fix, and how this I go fix, because him I go sabotage PNP. Dirty thinking Warmington. You can't believe that? Slime bucket, Warmington. Come. When mouth stink, in a no manners, no behavior, no respect. PNP, right now, PNP are called for him to get sacked. Then saying if he get fire. Somebody like that, you see, this is why Andrew Ownless cannot sign the code of conduct. These are the reasons, because he have people in a camp when I have no respect, not even for themselves. You understand me? My viewers and subscribers, before me elaborate on it, I want to take in the video clip here. Watch this.
But you can't come back in now. Are you there? Let me see the broke down wall here too. Okay? Let me see the broke down wall here too. Then can't put away when you call it TikTok or so and say whatever. That may not be the counselor, but he will spend every day in there. Not be the consent name, but he be in charge. Right now, I intend to put personal location down there. Extra location. Be sure them who's in charge. Big and large. Brass ride alone. Brass got 1,668 votes. Enough to win. More than what got in last election. But these men in general, these liberals turn him down. But me in charge of stuff. Okay? This says right now, I'm a minister of work. I'm a member of parliament. No PMP councillor going to spend my money.
My viewers and subscribers, when you hear Everall Warmington, when you see it, you hear what him say, no PNP now go spend any money. And a fee money, You see, this is why I tell you, say, them are thief taxpayers' money, and I call it feed them own, and I say I feed them money. Me always I tell you no, say them a criminal, because hear him now. True because in the constituency PNP win. Him now I go sabotage the PNP, because remember him in charge of job and works and the environment growth and stuff like that. You get me? So Everall Warmington are the one now we send out the money, like do the contract and them something there. So because them no win now, him a go sabotage the PNP. But me telling you something, a long time them a sabotage the PNP. Long, a years Everall Warmington a do this. And not just now, a years him a do it. Yeah, because I remember one time something did happen and him say, how he now go down they go fix. He now go down they go fix nothing. When it come to the PNP, them someplace they need for fix. I quite remember now, but me I go try to search for that and bring it back to you. Yeah. So on the ear dirty Everall Warmington and run off his stinking mouth. Just because when I hear him say, him say the man I go spend for him money. And that is the man I go spend all of the money. So PNP now I go spend none of him money like a for him money. A few taxpayer money, dirty Everall Warmington, and a few money. And that Andrew Wallace teaching of it do. Teaching of a scam taxpayer money and take it for yourself and I go chat about how you are going to see how the wall are going to fix down there. So, and you are going to see a long time this a boy Everall Warmington a sabotage PNP them for a long time. And I know. So when me hearing come out and I talk like this a man I need to get kicked out of parliament. This a man don't set no example. And you see the people them are labor right them hey, you see them a hype? You see them a hype? So really and truly, you have your brothers and sisters live up the road from you. And you don't want to see. You don't want to see say, up the road fix. You know, say on a real clown. This is why my class on a dirty labor right. This is why my cousin. Because you don't have no sense. My viewers and subscribers, only hear Everall Warmington. I say, oh, PNP now go spend him money like him, a fee money, a taxpayer money. A taxpayer money. The talk where Everall Warmington make, he need to get fire. And this is why Andrew Holness not signed the code of conduct because he knows he have Everall Warmington when and no manners and no behavior and no respect to nobody. This is unacceptable. This is not right, my viewers and subscribers. We're tired of dirty Everall Warmington. Always come out and come go and like say him run the ground. He always come out and go on like that. And a bully, just same way in Prime Minister Tan. A bully everybody. And a same way Everall Warmington. Look upon him, dirty fish. And then I come chat off him out but one thing say PNP now spending money. But the next man now, I go spend it, so I go fix up the labor right place and left PNP place. You think so we are idiot? You say it yourself. You forget fire. So now my viewers and subscribers, the PNP are calling on Everall Warmington to be fired right now what that PNP I do. So let me read it out for now. The People's National Party is calling on Prime Minister Andrew Holness to sack MP Everall Warmington as Works Minister. My viewers and subscribers, I want to see wait ahead to right now. The People's National Party is not having it. This is a year where they're not ramp. They're not play. You understand me? They're not playing. This a man you know. This a man Everall Warmington I come out and make such a statement. But me tell you, I know the first time he do it because he do it before. He do it before. And that them always a do. And that them always a do. When them a MP for area, yeah. And if the PNP is a councillor, then sabotage the councillor. Then sabotage the PNP area. And that them though. A long time Everall Warmington I do it. A long blouse and skirt time. Andrew Holness need to do the right thing now. Because he always a walk and a disrespect people in a parliament, out of parliament, and I get away with it. That's why I'm going like him a bad man. You understand me? I'm going like him a bad man. But me tell you something, Everall Warmington. A fish can't be bad man. A fish cannot be a bad man. Me tell you that. A fish cannot be a bad man. My viewers and subscribers, this a mania come out and make such statement. You see, me tell you, so they always a fight against the PNP bill, and I do not know. Hey, me don't want nobody come over here and tell me about no 18 years, Me tell you already, Me don't want to hear nothing about no 18 blouse and skirt years, because Andrew Holness in there for 8 years, and this we are dealing with right now, and whoever in power right now, we are dealing with, You understand me? So when something for do, it need to be done. So you see, Everall Warmington need to get fire. He never say I resign. So what the Ross he still cock up there do? He say I resign. So what happen now? But I resign again. I say the whole I want to make sure so I dig one hole, I dig two. MP and Andrew Holness. Make sure so one not dig one, una dig two. For una see one go drop in that ratted hole. Una dig hole for people. Una make sure so una dig one for una self. You understand me? My viewers and subscribers. Them so me and alright. Me say me have to come make una know what I go. And when me see it, me shock. Me have to say ratted hole. This show you why Andrew Holness no want sign the code of conduct. Mark Golding sign it. Mark Golding and all members them sign it. You understand? But Andrew Holness not talk to him members them because guess what? Him a criminal. You understand? And all of them are criminal and all of them have secret for one another. So they can't come out and chat nothing. But don't tell me what you think. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, guys. Run over to my next channel. It is called PNP News Round channel. Subscribe and get me to 1K subscribers. Also, if you want to join the WhatsApp group, all you have to do is text yes to 876-236-9097. Bless upon a nice clean self. One love.